Hey there, I'm Joanne Butler, and we're talking how to get holiday ready in no time. While we're keeping it really small this year, we still have some guests coming, so I'm all about anything that saves me time, and this has been saving me a ton of it, and I'm loving it. It's the Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max Multi-Surface Wet Dryback. It vacuums and washes your sealed hard floors at the same time. It's battery operated, charges right in this docking station, no cord, so I love it. And depending on which mode you use, you can clean freely all around the house for about 30 minutes at a time before you have to charge it again. Super easy, just press the button and go. Plus it has 2 tanks, so the fresh water never mixes with the dirty water, which is amazing. And it comes with this multi-surface formula that can even refresh area rugs. And it works with all different types of formulas actually, depending on your need, which is fab. I love this sanitized one. It's so key right now, and great if you have a pet. I use this one a lot because it's great for wet and dry messes around my cat's litter box, and good this time of year too when people track a lot of dirt in the house. So when you're done, you just place it back in the docking station to charge it, and you press a one-touch clean out cycle button to clean the brushes and the machine, and it's just ready to go the next time you use it. A whole new meaning to multi-purpose. Love it. The Crosswave Cordless Max. Get it for $399 at BissellCrosswave.com. Next up, I am a huge fan of Boston Market. They're known as the holiday experts, and for good reason, because they're making it super easy no matter how different your traditions may look this year. They have a ton of options for every type of celebration. We're talking home-style meals like this without any of the time-consuming prep that pretty much keeps all of us from spending time with our family and guests. Here we have a whole roasted turkey meal for $12 that can feed your entire extended family and then some for as little as $12.49 a person. It's fully cooked, includes all of the side staples. All you have to do is reheat it, and they even give you the instructions on how to do that. Super simple, super delicious. Order online at bostonmarket.com and either pick it up in restaurant prior to the holiday or have it shipped directly to your door during the Thanksgiving week. It's a no-brainer. Love it. Now, let's talk about giving back. This is something really cool. It's the new United Gateway card from United Airlines and Chase, and they're giving back to neighbors in need this holiday with their Gateway to Giving campaign. It's championed by celebrity chef Carla Hall, who's helping them educate card members on how to best support people facing hunger across the U.S. And Chase and United are providing a donation of $700,000 to Feeding America, which helps local food banks provide nearly 7 million meals to families in United's hub cities across the country. You know, the holidays are all about food and travel, so this is really relevant. And new United Gateway card members will earn 3 times the miles for every dollar they spend on groceries through the end of September 2021. It's also loaded with other benefits, perfect for all your travel needs this holiday, in the air, on the ground. There's no annual fee. It's truly a win-win, and you can check this out at UnitedGatewayCard.com. And there you have it. Happy Thanksgiving to you.